the same car, and then unfortunately he forgets to say the blessing, for half an hour, and then now when he comes back to drink the water, should the person do? Should he say over the blessing, or is it still covered?
Okay, so it's good question. So let me describe for you two scenarios. Okay, so the first scenario that that he does not remember if he said the blessing or not. So that's what I apologize. Let's start with easier. The straightforward, easiest scenario. If he remember, I did not say the blessing. How do I know? I was on the phone with somebody, and somebody was telling me something, and I without thinking, I start drinking water. So that's how I know I did not say the blessing. That's the easy scenario. So after you realize, before taking next sip, you have to say the blessing. 100%. That's it. So you're not allowed to drink unless you say the blessing. Different issue. That's second scenario would be, I don't remember. Did I say blessing? I did not. For whatever reason, person I don't know, does not remember. So it's very interesting thing, right? So you're not allowed to continue drinking because maybe you did not say blessing. So it's like stealing from HaShem. Clearly, our Chazal say, if you eat without or drink without the blessing, you're stealing from HaShem directly. You're the thief from HaShem, right? So that's not a good place to be. Right, and I cannot say another blessing. Why? Because if I already said the blessing, so this blessing would be blessing in vain. So it's actually the Torah commandment, right, out of 10. So not to carry Hashem's name in vain. So you're in a difficult situation. So our Chazal said, what you should do, it's one of the solutions, make a blessing on something else. Whatever it would have the same blessing. For example, you're talking about water, you forgot, you have a piece of candy, right? Or you have a chewing gum. So say this blessing on a piece of candy, piece of chocolate, whatever, it's same shechakol, and keep in mind, I want only also covered water if it was not covered. So if it was not covered, let it be covered. If it was covered, I'm just eating a piece of chocolate. That's it. Okay.